Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna show you today how to remove, guys, a front door handle on a Volkswagen Jetta or Golf MK6. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to remove the whole assembly now. Really easy, really simple, without taking the door apart. Stay with us now, guys. So in order to remove the door handle, what do we need to do now? We will need to remove that cap here on the inside. And these two bolts are with a T20. Now we need to open the door handle. We need to pry that cap out of there. Okay, like that. And we'll need to use a T22 to remove that bolt all the way. The one that's sticking out. Okay, like that. And now we need to get the other one loose. It doesn't come off. Probably a couple revolutions will be enough. That's plenty. And now if you grab that thing and move it back and forth, okay, it's gonna come off. It's a little bit tight, so you need to go a little bit on top, a little bit on bottom. Okay, you see now, oh, almost there. You cannot just go a little bit on one side only. It's a little bit tricky. And if you grab this piece and pull it out like that, you'll be able to remove the cylinder lock like that. Now, in order to remove the door handle, you need to pull towards the outside a little bit and then go like that. It comes out and then you can remove it just like that. So in order to install the handle now, you need to go here, you need to get the rubber seal in, go to the back, make sure it's gonna slide where it's supposed to. Okay, it goes only in one certain way, so let me get it good with two hands. Okay, like that. It's in. Well, I actually just pulled it out to demonstrate how it works. Okay, and now we're going to install the cylinder lock. Okay, just like that. It goes in all the way. And now we need to get the bolts tight, both of them. And after we do that, we're just going to install a little cap, but you need to open the door for that to press it in good. And we need to install the little seal. So that's the whole procedure, guys, for removing and replacing front door handle on a Jetta MK6. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.